and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Wednesday, Whiskey Wednesday. In actuality, it's Vernors Meatballs Wednesday. But I'll get to that in a moment. Yesterday, Robin and I tag teamed last night's dinner. I mise en place, I did all the prep, and I was her sous chef last night, and Robin prepared creamy chicken stroganoff over egg noodles. Very good. Robin has asked that this particular recipe gets put into the rotation. Cool. It was really good. Kind of a lighter stroganoff, and the chicken just makes it even lighter. It's really good. I will get that recipe up this morning, like usual. Today, back to the Vernors Meatballs. Yeah, I am doing the full thing today. Normally, I would use a frozen meatball, high quality, of course. But today, for tonight, I am doing, based on my mother's recipe, a full version. I'm doing meatballs from scratch. Yeah. Of course, the killer of this is the sauce. So let's get to it. Got a non-stick, non-stick fry pan, splatter shield. I'm using elk hamburger. This kind of goes back to my childhood. I will be grating a potato, some red onion. I'm not grating the egg, but there's egg in this. The olive oil is for frying. A little bit of Lee & Perrins Worcestershire sauce, some kosher salt, black pepper, and at least basil and oregano. And these come from the local spicery in Marysville. Don't let the jars fool you. I have nightmares because my mother used to make me, part of my duties in the kitchen was to grate potatoes and onions for these meatballs. I think that's why I don't make them on a regular basis. But I'll be using a food processor, there it is, to do the grating. For the sauce, this is very particular. You must use Heinz tomato ketchup, Vernors. I get my Vernors at Bel Air. You can also get it at Railings. There's a shop down in Arizona you can order it from, but there is a bottling company that bought the Vernors recipe and blah, blah, blah. They're in Texas. So it's the Heinz ketchup, Vernors, ginger ale, garlic. I add a little extra ginger because I can. And we'll have some kosher salt, black pepper, basil, oregano, some whole thyme, and rosemary in the sauce. Because I'm doing all the work here, I'm not doing the work here. I'm using Simply Potatoes, mashed potatoes. These are actually one of the better of the pre-made mashed potatoes. So, like I said, I'll be using food processor. See, the disc is already in. Got my little scoop out. Today, again, is Vernors Meatballs. Everything homemade except the mashed potatoes. Yeah, I'm crazy, but I'm not stupid. All right. Don't forget, all the profits from the sale of recipes or just guidelines goes to Project Semicolon. Available on Amazon, Barnes & Noble, Etsy, and eBay. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.